malugod naming tinatanggap, welcome sa ating munting paaralan dito na St. Vincent School of Theology. Ngayong pong taon na ito ay pinagdiriwang po namin ang aming 40 foundation anniversary. Kasama sa mga activities natin sa taong ito ay yung katawagin nating Solidarity Nights, na kung saan magkakaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na makipagdaupang palad sa mga taong paminsan-minsan hindi natin masyadong napapansin, lalo na kapag tayo masyado ng busy sa ating mga ginagawa sa ating buhay.
Brothers and sisters, it is my honor to introduce to you Dr. Christine Meneses. Dear friends, a round of applause to Miss Elizabeth Malyari.
We can talk, we can say some word through hearing. So kung walang nakikinig, walang naririnig ang isang tao dahil may diferensya ang kanyang pandinig, importante po ang sense of hearing in order for us to communicate. Matututo lang tayong magsalita sa naririnig natin sa ating kapwa. Masaya na mahirap ang maging volunteer ng lingap sa natatangi. You have to give them your time, minsan your talent, and minsan your resources. Financially, at saka yung feelings mo, yung pagmamahal mo sa kanila.
This will not end here, but this may continue to be the beginning of a much more profound collaboration and journeying together as a community. We will learn, we will continue to learn from you, and we will try to share in your journey of life as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you for always encouraging us to build bridges of understanding and compassion. So as we go our separate ways tonight, let's not let this feeling of solidarity fade. Let's carry the spirit of this evening with us and continue to be a community where every person feels valued, heard, and seen.